Fascinating.
So what, I hear you cry, did you do different on the facilities HUD? Well, I wanted to see if I, rather than just allocating one static mesh to the actor in the world, I wanted to affect an array. So when I now roll over this tower, although it looks as if it's kind of one unit, it's actually 6 separate static meshes. So the array is kind of combining all of those, and then I'm affecting the rollover treatment based on the array. So fine, they're all together. So let me prove I'm not lying. And it depends on the scenario. You might want to be zoning all sorts of different areas within your map and annotate them as separate elements rather than just one thing. So let me find the right marker. So here under viewing tower, you'll see I have got now 6 static mesh. So let's have a look at the actor that's in the world. Again, same sort of thing, sort of dragging it in, but rather than a static mesh actor, a single one, I've asked for an array where you basically come down here, select array. And because it's instance editable, there's nothing actually in the actor, but as before, it does actually pass a warning because there's nothing in here. It knows there's nothing in here, but you have actually made it instance editable. So when you come back to the world, we can pipette whatever we like. So let's clear one of these pipettes, and I'll select that instead. So let me play that again. And now when we roll over, we've removed that third in the list and selected another static mesh. So it's just a way of kind of being able to group things. Now, how that is then affected by the other widgets will be in the child widget, because it will be part of that button interaction, which I didn't click size to content on, which would be really annoying in the world when things are happening when you don't know why they are. So let's do that first. And then when we come to look at our interaction, so we had a static interaction before, and here now I've pulled the array and I'm just doing the same piece of code that was part of this here. Set the render custom depth. That will make sense when I do the other video. I'm just now pulling the array that we've created and doing a for each loop and setting exactly the same value on each of the array elements, but it just means that now I can assign more than one static mesh to a marker in our world.
Live long and prosper.